Hi there guys, it's Easy Fix FX here, back again, and I'm just going to do a quick analysis here on GBPUSD, a quick forecast. So I'm just going to show you what I'm looking for next on GBPUSD. So first of all, I'm just going to draw in my trend line. I'm just going to draw it along these swing points that I see here. So we got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch along this main trend line. So I'm just going to zoom in here. So as you can see, price is making higher highs and higher lows quite clearly. So what I'm going to do is, you can clearly see this trend is super bullish at the moment. So next I'm going to take out my fib from point A to point B. What I'm going to do now is draw out my golden zone, my key level that I'm looking at next. As you can see, prices, this has been a major supply zone once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Price has broken above this zone, and it's most likely going to come back and retest this zone. Okay, we can also see that we can see this round number here, this 1.4 thousand level over here, which lines up directly with the fib golden zone. So basically what I'm waiting for, I'm going to drop down to the 4 hour, and I'm just going to be waiting for price to come into my zone. This is what you have to do as a pro trader. You got to sit on your hands and wait for price to come to you. So basically this is what I'm going to do. I don't take many trades. I only wait. What I like to do is wait for the highest probability trades. So I'm just going to wait for price to come into the zone, and then I'll be looking for an entry from this zone. If price shoots up higher and moves on, then I'll have to readjust my analysis and my forecast. I'll have to just take another look then at the markets and adjust to the markets. But as a professional trader, what you got to do is you got to analyze the charts and wait for price to come to you and react to what price does in your zone. If there is a reaction, if you like what you see in the zone, then you take action. So I hope this video has helped you guys and just put you in the mindset of a professional trader, just to see exactly what professional traders are looking at. So just mark out this level on your charts, mark out this round number, and I'm pretty sure price is going to come and retest this area before taking off again. It'll retest the trend line, it'll retest the zone. I'm also going to be looking for my stochastic to be oversold, and I'm going to be looking for bullish price action from the zone. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But this is just what I'm looking at now on this market. Peace, guys.